My name is Jamiel. I'm the founder and a trial attorney at Alabama Truck Crash Lawyers in Birmingham, Alabama. You know, getting leads and making sure that you're responsive to clients is so important. And we didn't have a way to capture those calls effectively, whereas we could screen those calls or we could, take detailed notes for those callers. And Stafi helped us do that 24/7. And now I don't have to worry about, answering calls in the middle of the night or anybody in my staff answering late calls. Stafi was able to help us effectively capture those calls at any time. Right, clients usually call and they expect some type of responsiveness. And so, if you're getting a call in the middle of the night, you may be busy or, it may be inconvenient for you or your staff. And that client is left with, no option. And so we wanted to make sure that we were a customer service friendly law firm, and Stafi Live helped us do that. I mean, they helped us fill the gap. So whenever we can't get to the calls, we know that it's guaranteed they're going to talk to a live receptionist and they'll get the answers they need about our firm, and someone will follow up with them. One of the most unique things I like about Stafi Live is that I generally have the same receptionist answer my calls. And sometimes I randomly call and it's generally the same person. And now, we've been using it for some time now, so they even know when Attorney Peterson is calling. And so that's one unique thing. And also to the customer service component, the intake process was very thorough. The customer service is always responsive. They go above and beyond to help and make sure that, the receptionist is fit for your firm, but also the intake process or the answering process is a good fit for what you need for your firm. And that makes a huge difference with what you're trying to do in your operations. I no longer worry about missing critical cases. And now with these Stafi Live, we have it to where, they'll do the screening questions and even send clients the engagement agreement. And I've woken up to sign engagement agreements on cases with significant value. One case on a commercial policy at a full policy limits, which is $1 million. And I've had another case that was worth at least $500,000. And so it's made a huge difference in my firm. And, I don't see myself using a different answering service in the foreseeable future. I think, Stafi Live is it for us. We enjoy it. Absolutely. Don't wait. The experience I've had has been the best with any answering service, and I've used quite a few, but this by far outweighs everyone else. And I think if you're looking for a great 24/7 answering service, a company that's going to give your firm, full attention as if you're their only client, they have that capability, and they've proven on it since day one. So I highly recommend them. I'd say don't wait, man. Go ahead and get it signed up.